What's the most important part of your LinkedIn when applying as a new SDR? I'm going to give you a different route. Your LinkedIn, cool. What I would tell you, I'm going to give you just the basic answer here. Make sure that you have some, credentials, like some stuff you've worked on, things that are impactful. But this is not actually the most important part. It's a part of it, but if you're trying to get an SDR job, let's say that you recently got laid off, and if you've been laid off recently, my heart goes out to you. I know it's a very hard time right now, but if you're looking for a new job and you're on this right now, you listen to the replay, this is exactly what I do. I guarantee you it will get you a new job if you just follow my advice. Now, if you decide to go rogue and don't do it, I can't help you.
Thank you, Commodore, for getting us ready to make way.
But if you actually do this, you'll get some results. So here's the thing. If you're thinking about getting into a sales role, you should probably do sales to get your sales role, right? You should probably do sales to get your sales role, right? Even the kids even know this. The kids are even fired up. They're like, yeah, Morgan, that makes a lot of sense. So if the kids are fired up, you should probably listen. So what I would do is I would go look at the job career page. On the career page, they have something in the role called responsibilities or things you would do. I'm telling you, most people don't do this. Things you're going to do, right? So you're going to look at it, right? And then you're going to be like, okay, wait, they're looking for these like 3 to 5 things. Awesome. So you're going to write them down. So you can do 2 things. You can write an email or you can send a video. Don't really care. Depends on you. So what I would do, I would screen share the video showing the job role and say, hey, reason I'm reaching out to you, leader, manager, whoever, I was looking at the job page. These are 3 things that you said you wanted in the role. Here's how my life experience applies to these 3 things and why I think I could be your new SDR. Do y'all know how many people do not do this? Like, if you're a manager right now, have y'all ever gotten that before? Like a leader, can we get some leaders in the house here to talk to the people real quick? Has anyone ever received a video like that? And if you were to get a video or email like that, would you not respond in 3 seconds being like, I need to hire this person regardless of their experience? You probably are going to give them an interview, I think, unless like you have a different criteria that I don't understand and I don't know about. But for the most part, you're most likely going to be like, wow, this person's elite. I probably got to interview them at least. So the thing is, see, look, okay, check, look at this. No one follows this advice. I'm giving you advice to get a job. So like, if you want a job, this is all you have to do, because no one does this. And so guess what? They're going to be like, we have to get this person immediately. We got to talk to this person. So look, that's what I would do if I'm applying for an SDR. Your LinkedIn plays a part, but what I just told you is way better and will get you a legit meeting for an interview. So there we go. And the kids are excited.